This is Scratch. It's a free coding platform where beginners get to code their own games. But the question is Scratch actually good? In 30 minutes, I'll be trying to code the best game possible. Let's get into it. So we are on the default canvas. We're trying to create the perfect game here on Scratch. And we're going to try to test out different things. One thing I'm bad at is making animations. Another thing I'm bad at is actually constructing a game. But hopefully we'll get through it. And yeah. This game is going to be called Untitled. You know why? Not because it's already named Untitled. Because Untitled is an actual cool name. Right. Basically, the meaning of this game is, like, basic. We're going to have the basic font the whole time, and we're just going to have a basic screen. We're going to have good codes, but we're just going to be basic here, and hopefully it'll pay off. Basically, we're going to act as if a 2-year-old made this game, as we have the start button right there. Yeah, we're going to try this out. Hopefully it'll work. I mean, it looks decent. I mean, it looks like an actual game, despite its formalness or whatever. But yeah, it's pretty good. This is what we have so far. Click the green flag, hit start, boom. So basically, the goal of this game is to make people laugh. All right, it's not gonna be related to anything humorful. We're just trying to have fun here, as we're going to make the most effortless game, yet quite amusing. And yes, I'm not over-exaggerating the fact that this is made by a 2-year-old, even though I'm not 2. The goal is to get a score of 100. Yeah, that's how they talk. And the first question is 1 plus 1. What's the answer to 1 plus 1? Cow. This is what we have so far. Untitled, start, goal is to get a score of 100. What's 1 plus 1? Cow. And since this game is so professional, when we hit cheese, nothing happens. When we hit cow, that happens. And now we're making the cow screen. Let's speed run this. We clearly have the greatest game of all time because of our efforts in the cow industry. And now we go here, we copy and paste. It should be on every single sprite or whatever. The goal is to get a score of 100, and the score is 10. So we got text right here. Score 10. There's gonna be 10 questions. Don't worry, it's really hard. It's really, really, really hard. And if you get the last one wrong, you go back to the start. So, that's a bonus. Again, aiming towards the 2-year-old thing. I like Fortnite. We're going to try to make the most impossible thing ever. And is the answer 7 or 16? That's going to be the question. And the answer is 7. Just another rundown through the game. We got Untitled, start. The goal is to get a score of 100. And what's 1 plus 1? It would be cow. Oh, we gotta move the 7. Oh, shoot. Let's just, delete the hide for a second. Go here. Bang. Move that right here. Go here. And that's basically it. And that's basically the whole game. We will probably make some adjustments, but, you know, it is what it is for now. We have everything we need, and we have everything we could get. So, basically, we're just trying to finish this quiz. Put some more codes in, and now we move on to the next question. Again, copy and paste in the 100. We also have to copy and paste the score thing. There's only going to be 3 questions, alright? Next one is the last question. So, our score is now 50, because it makes sense. It goes from 10, 50, 100, yeah. And it'll be impossible. Don't worry. The last question. Alright, now what is this question? I'm just gonna say hi. Alright, I'm just gonna say hi. Because this is the last question, technically, because there's only 3 questions. Unless there's a secret area. No, I'm joking. But this is the last question. We're just gonna rename this to the last question, and we'll see what we do. So it's just called hi. Alright. Will you say hello back, or will you not? This is so useless, but we'll roll this, and we're gonna try to see if people can figure out the hidden feature, I would say. And the game is done. Let me give you a rundown. Untitled. Start. The goal is to get a score of 100. And what's 1 plus 1? Cow. The goal is to get a score of 100 again. Score 10. You like Fortnite? It's not 16, it's 7. Oh. I never did that. Anyways, 7. There. You're done. Game over. Goal is to get a score of 100. Hi. Hi. And that's the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. No, I'm just kidding. There's actually a secret hidden somewhere. I don't know where it is. Wait. There's actually a secret hidden right there. But technical difficulties. My bad. Yeah, so there is actually a secret, as you see I'm highlighting it, right here. But I can't click it for some reason. Because... Oh, I see. Got that. We got hide. Yeah, so there's actually a secret right here, which I still can't click. What is going on? Yeah, but basically it says hello, and when you click it, you have beaten the game, yay! And this ugly dude gives you a smiley face. His version of a smiley face. And yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a funny one here. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Maybe try this game out if you want. It's going to be in the public, as I just shared into public right now. It's just going to be called Hi and Hi. So yeah, hope you guys check this out in public. It's just something cool to make, and have a good day. Peace.